Would you rather eat a rancid mixture of rotten egg and old fish, or bathe naked in vomit? Oh my gosh, what is this game? I don't know what to pick. I don't want to pick one. 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 Yo, what the fuck is up? It's Prince Charming. So today I'm playing Would You Rather. If you don't know what that is, basically it's a game where it gives you two options and you basically choose which one you rather do. So before I do that, let's go into the question of the day. Last time I asked y'all, if y'all were in the zombie apocalypse, what will be your weapon of choice? So Godcraft 101 said, I would use a toothbrush. Yeah, good luck with that, man. You know what? No, you are the unsung hero caring about the zombies' dental hygiene. You are the unsung hero. They're gonna write stories about you. Ricky James says, my weapon would be a big black tractor. Good luck with that, Ricky James. I don't know what you can use with a big black tractor. I mean, who wants a big black tractor? And LL18 said, I would roast all of the zombies because their shoe game is weak. Oh shit, we got a savage amongst us. Okay, boy. I feel like that would be an effective way to stop the zombie stuff. Roasting their asses up. You know, nobody wants to live after they've been roasted up, so it's a good way to take on a large crowd. Alright, so for the new question today, how do you like your peanut butter? Crunchy or creamy? Me personally, if someone brings me fucking crunchy peanut butter, I will throw it at their fucking face. But hey, if you like crunchy peanut butter, I guess you're just a weird mofo, like. Alright guys, so let's get into this game. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe if you love me. Only if you love me. If you don't love me, you don't have to do it. But I hope you still do. If you had to read only one series for the rest of your life, would you rather read Harry Potter or read Twilight? Harry Potter? Is this a question? Of course I'm gonna read Harry Potter. Harry Potter is the best movie series, book series period in the world. 85% agree with me. I think it's safe to say that Harry Potter is more popular than Twilight. Would you rather never be able to touch anyone again, never be able to talk to anyone again? Oh shit. I don't know. If you can't touch anyone again, you can't fuck bitch. You can't talk to anybody, you can't hit bitches up. So I don't know. I would have to say can't talk to anyone again. Oh, that would suck, but I can learn sign language. What? People would rather not be able to touch anyone again? Are you serious? You know that means you can't have sex anymore, right? Y'all are crazy. Y'all are just bananas. Would you rather have your current pet live as long as you do, or bring a past pet back to life? I never had any pet that died on me, so I have to go have your current pet live as long as you do, because when I get my puppy, as soon as I graduate college, I want him to be my best friend. He's gonna be with me from my beginning to my end. I want him to live with me. Yep. There we go. Yep. I mean, bringing a past pet back, that's a fucking tongue twister. Damn, I just messed up like 20 times, but I cut it out. I legit stumbled on that sentence 20 times and I had to cut it out. Bring a past pet back to life. God, if you had to be tortured, would you rather enter a Sicilian bull or wear Spanish? Don't know what a Sicilian bull is. Let's look that up. Oh, fuck no. Oh yeah, I remember this. You get into it and then they basically cook you inside. And what is Spanish boots? Spanish boots. Oh shit, so they basically crush your legs in. Oh no. I would still have to go with the Spanish boots because that Sicilian bull, fuck that. I will wear the Spanish boots. Yep. More people agree with me. If you want to be cooked alive, you are crazy. There's no way I'm gonna do that. Would you rather be a tomboy or be a girly girl? I'm a boy. I don't know how to answer this. If I was a girl, since I'm a guy, I'd rather be a tomboy because I'm a guy, so that's biased. There we go. More people agree with me. Probably because there's guys taking this survey. If you were about to die in 5 minutes, would you rather do everything you would want in those 5 minutes or call your family? I would have to call my family. What is the point of doing everything you want in those 5 minutes? So call your family. That's the last time you're gonna see them, so call my family. Wow, 277,000 people are fucking assholes. Would you rather fight all of the original Power Rangers in a Megazord robot or fight Optimus Prime? Ooh, no, I have to give it to, ooh, that's kind of tough. I would say Optimus Prime. I watched the Power Rangers when I was a kid and they're pretty fucking strong, so I have to say Optimus. What? It's pretty even. It was a lose-lose situation either or. But I've seen Power Rangers when I was a kid and that is no joke. Would you rather have uncontrollable ear hair or have uncontrollable nose hair? Oh man, that's disgusting. Ear hair, I would say. Nose hair, that's just, oh lord. If I saw someone with like fucking nose hair coming out, I would just point it out in that conversation. I would not be able to keep a straight face in that conversation. I would be talking to them and just bust out laughing. So I would have to go with ear hair. Would you rather eat only KFC for a month or eat only Taco Bell for a month? I know what y'all want me to say. Oh, it's cause I'm black, I have to choose chicken, huh? You racist ass motherfucker. Fun fact about Prince Charming, I actually don't really like fried chicken that much. I also don't like Kool-Aid that much. I also don't really care for grape soda. Don't like watermelon. I fucking hate grits. Not too big of a fan of hot sauce. I'm a titty guy, not an ass man. And I'm not really all that good at basketball. Decent, but I'm not good. So I am not your stereotypical black guy. So I would say eat only Taco Bell for a month because I can't do fried chicken like that every month. Taco Bell's disgusting, but Taco Bell gets the job done. When you have $2 or $3 and it's 2 a.m., you have to go to Taco Bell and you do be satisfied. So Taco Bell. Wow, people rather eat KFC. Y'all are insane. Insane, y'all Looney Tunes. Would you rather get a container of Flintstone vitamins or drink a bottle of Pepto-Bismol? Flintstone vitamins. I feel like if you drink a bottle of Pepto-Bismol, it's gonna have a reversal effect and make you throw up instead of making you not throw up. So I would choose a Flintstone vitamins because fun fact, you do know when you take a multivitamin, you know those pills you take says you don't want to actually take your real vitamins, like eat an orange or like drink orange juice or like drink your milk. You want to actually just take a vitamin because you're lazy like that. So most of the minerals and vitamins you get from that, your body can only absorb so much, so you piss out majority of it. So what you're really buying is just vitamin piss. You're really just buying fertilizer for your piss. Like, it really doesn't help you out that much. Fitness facts from Prince. So I'll go with the vitamins. Yep, there we go, there we go. Alright guys, let's try to hit, I'm gonna hit 3 more for y'all. 3 more for y'all. Are y'all hitting that like button? I don't hear y'all hitting that like button. I don't hear y'all. I want to hear y'all hitting that like button. I promise I'm gonna stop doing this. I know it must get annoying when I ask for likes, but it really helps me out a lot. Because it lets me know y'all like these. Would you rather eat a 4-inch circumference venomous spider or an equally venomous wasp? I don't know if anybody in this world who is sane can come close to putting a spider in their mouth. But I cannot. That is not happening. Not in this lifetime. Not in the next lifetime. Not in any lifetime am I gonna put a spider in my mouth. So I'll have to go with the venomous wasp. I hope it doesn't sting me, but I can't do the spider. Yep. Would you rather be James Bond or Jason Bourne? Woo! Okay, so that's a tough one. Okay, so James Bond's a badass. He gets bitches, he's a spy, he has all the gadgets. But Jason Bourne is a real ass nigga. So would I rather be a badass or a real ass nigga? I'll have to be a real ass nigga and go with Jason Bourne. I know James Bond gets the bitches, he has the money, and he has all the technology, the cars. You gotta be a real ass nigga, bro. The streets ain't safe, so you gotta be real. Wow, wow. More people rather be James Bond. Maybe I should have picked James Bond. I feel so lame now. Would you rather eat a rancid mixture of rotten egg and old fish or bathe naked in vomit? Oh my gosh, what is this game? Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. I don't know what to pick. I don't want to pick one. 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 I can't do vomit. I can eat the food. I'm a kind of a daredevil. I have little problem. I suffer problem, but I don't mind it as much eating nasty food. But I get disgusted easily. Oh no, can't bathe naked and vomit. That's human vomit. No. No. Alright, last one. Would you rather break your leg or break your arm? Wow, what are the odds? I just made a video about this when I broke my leg. So obviously I'd rather, ooh, but that hurt like a bitch. So I'll have to go with breaking my arm because your leg is like your most strongest bone, and if you break it, you're out for a long time. It hurts like a bitch. So I have to go with breaking your arm. Plus when you break your arm, like you get that cast and people sign it, but you still gotta go to school, so that's bad. So yeah, breaking my arm, 40-60. I always take dubs. Prince Charming don't take no L's. What do I always say? I need to make shirts that say that. Prince Charming don't take no L's. That reminds me of a big question. If I were to make like shirts and shit like that or merchandise, would y'all be interested? I don't think I'm that popular yet. So I'm gonna hold off on doing that. But yeah guys, this has been Would You Rather, so make sure you check this game out if you want to. This game just made me like want to take a long shower. I just feel disgusted with myself. Oh Lord. I think I'm just gonna end the video here guys, so make sure you like, make sure you comment, subscribe. Let's get to 25K by the end of 2016. Got about 2 months left guys. Let's do it. I know we can do it guys. So I'm gonna let y'all go. It's Prince Charming, bitch. Catch you guys next time.
Alright guys, we did it once before, so I know we can do it again. So let's try to hit 25,000 subscribers by the end of 2016. 25K by the end of 2016. I know we can do it.
Like, if you like crunchy peanut butter, I can't date you, I'm sorry. It's a make or break.